Welcome to another episode of Travel Guru TV TGTV. And today we just checked into TownePlace Suites by Marriott in Thunder Bay, Ontario, Canada. And let me give you guys a quick room tour. So let's start in the kitchenette. Oh, that's a apartment-sized dishwasher. That's actually really cool. I like that. So yeah, first time staying at the TownePlace Suites here in Thunder Bay, or any TownePlace Suites, as a matter of fact. Nice microwave, nice and clean. The check-in was fantastic customer service. We were able to get a very early check-in, and we are very grateful for it. We just spent some time in the pool. And the jacuzzi was nice, clean, nothing to complain about. Let's see what kind of a view we have. Probably Thunder Bay parking lot view. Oh wow, look at that weather. There it is. TownePlace Suites by Marriott, Thunder Bay, late August 2023. It feels like a newer property, maybe not brand new, but I would maybe estimate, I don't know, 5 years. Maybe it's 3 to 7 years old, possibly. But yeah, very good service. We did see the buffet, the breakfast buffet. It was pretty good. What's this? Okay. So I guess they're trying to cater to people who are looking to stay longer, a little bit longer, like maybe midterm stays. Bathroom. So yeah, so far so good. Overall, very good experience so far. We're looking forward to it. Stay tuned for more videos from this property. I'm going to be checking out the pool and the breakfast buffet. As far as the room is concerned in the room tour, yeah, this is great. Very happy with it. I hope you guys like it. Have you stayed here before? Do you guys have any questions? Don't forget to leave your questions in the notes. Don't forget to like the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel-related content. Peace.